Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Capcut tips and tricks for beginners, especially on how to use keyframe feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and first thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created, and then I'm going to use the keyframe to animate object in this video. I'm going to add an object first. I'm going to add sticker. Okay, I'm just going to search for a very sticker. Okay, wait guys. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and make it this sticker aligned with my video. Wait, I'm going to drag it like this. Okay, and then we're going to use keyframe. So this is the keyframe button or the keyframe feature we're going to use to animate this object. And I'm going to place this pointer to the beginning of my video, and then we can add keyframe. Tap on the keyframe button and move your object like this. We're going to add movement. Okay, and at the end of this video, I'm going to make it as very disappear from my video. I'm going to make it out of frame. Okay, and let's take a look at the final result. Okay, basically we can use keyframe to animate something. We can also add a movement to our video with this keyframe. And I guess that's all the Capcut tips and tricks for beginners, especially on how to use keyframe feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.